Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Thursday, July 23rd, 2020. And yesterday we saw the markets close at a 50-day high close. Today we have seen them consolidate for a while and then start to sell off as we head into the afternoon portion of the session. So this morning we saw pretty flat opens. ES tested right up near prior day's high a couple times and has since started to break down. And that has a pretty red candlestick forming on the daily right now, where we opened up near the higher portion of the current range, and we are now trading below the prior day low and down at the lows of the session. So a pretty directional daily candle in the process of forming right now. So let's go ahead and test that action as we approach the close and see how it has performed historically. So I'm going to be looking at all four instruments. The setup is going to be an intraday time-based entry, and we can use an entry of 230. Set up as a long, it'll exit at the close of regular trading hours, 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. For opening filters, I'm not going to pick a direction because we were pretty flat on the open. I'm just going to say that we opened within the prior day range, and I'm going to say that yesterday was a 50-day high close. So once I add that, then I can go in and add the action in the post-open filters of what has happened so far today. So as of now, our open is in the top 25% of the range, and we're currently trading in the bottom 25% of the range as we are selling off, and we are currently trading below the prior day low. So I can add that down here as well, and then hit view results. And here we go. So these are the results of going long at 2:30 p.m. Eastern Time, exiting at the close of regular trading hours, 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time, when the prior day closed at a 50-day high, and the following session, you open in range. Your open is in the top 25% of the range as of 2:30 p.m. Eastern Time. At 2:30, you're trading in the bottom 25% of the range and below the prior day low. So all of that at the time of this recording is true. I don't know what's going to happen between now and 2:30, so that may change a little bit. But historically, that pattern has happened 27 times in the ES, 33 in the NASDAQ, 36 in the YM, 27 in the Russell. So not a huge sample size here of this directional weekday forming after a 50-day high close. When it has happened, it looks like the ES has done a little bit better at 63%, so a little bit better than some of the others here, like the NASDAQ, which is at 55, and the Russell at 56. YM has been the strongest at 72%. So looking at these collectively, they've all skewed a bit to the bullish side as we approach the close of the session. So perhaps it's not as bearish as it looks at the moment, at least according to this pattern. Now, you can change up this pattern a little bit, maybe adjust where the open is at. You can zone in a little bit and change up some of the stats, or maybe wait a little bit for an entry closer to 3 p.m. or whatnot and see how these stats changed. But historically, this setup right here has been a little bit more bullish as it approaches the closing portion of the session. So hopefully you found that interesting. Good luck today, and we will see you tomorrow.